How does one send money through PayPal without the sender nor the receiver having to pay any fees? Well, there are two ways to make this happen. You can link your bank account and send money that way, or you could send the money from your PayPal balance. Keep in mind that this only works for transactions made within the US, so the PayPal account you plan on sending money to cannot be international, or else you'll end up paying a fee. Also, for both methods, the transaction times are quick and the money should be sent right away. Okay, now let me show you guys how to do this exactly. So once you're in PayPal's dashboard, you can either click send or click pay and get paid. Both of these will take you to the same page, so it really doesn't matter. Okay, once you're here, enter the name, username, email, or a phone number of whoever it is you're sending the money to. For this demonstration, I'll just be picking someone from my contacts list. Now go ahead and enter the amount you're paying and then click continue. Okay, this is important. Make sure you have this setting set to sending to a friend. This will help you avoid any fees. However, if you're buying something and you want your money to be protected just in case anything goes wrong, then it's best to have this option checked, which will give you the protection but in exchange for a fee. Also, if you do pick paying for an item or service, you're going to see your shipping address appear, which may or may not be needed. But if you don't want your address to be seen, then you can just choose not to display your address. And for those who pick the option of sending to a friend, your address won't appear whatsoever. So whatever the case may be for your situation, it's best to consider both options. But because the point of this video is to send money without any fees, I'm going to choose sending to a friend. And now we land on this page. So I have multiple different payment methods I could pick from. But like I said earlier, in order to avoid paying a fee, I need to pick either my bank account or my PayPal balance. But because I have $0 in my PayPal balance, it won't show up here, which is fine because I'll be paying using my bank account anyways. If you take a close look at each payment, you'll see whether or not you'll be paying a fee and how much exactly. If I were to use my credit or debit, I would have to pay 38 cents extra. Once you've picked your payment method, click next and it'll take you back to the review page. Make sure everything is correct, and if so, you can proceed and send the payment and you're all done. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys found this helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing.